And now for something completely different.
So, we're going to have fried rice for supper, but first we have to cook the rice. Right now, it's dry rice, and it's in my Amaro cooker on saute. And I'm going to do this for however long it takes. Maybe 5-10 minutes, I don't know. You can tell it changes colors. In fact, you see some of the kernels turning white already. This gets the starch out, and I don't have to stick it in the fridge or anything. It won't be sticky when it's time to cook, and it gives it a nice toasty flavor. So when it's ready, I'll add some water, and I'll sprinkle some of this on because it's tasty. And I'll also throw in a spoonful of this because that really gives it some nice flavor. So we'll do that. We'll cook the rice, and then I'll meet you out at the griddle. See you soon.
And doesn't that look good? So we got some sauces, we got some shrimp, we got some veggies, we got some seasonings. I got my sign. We got a beautiful day. We got a hot griddle. Let's get cooking. Okay, I've got the microphone in, so hopefully you can hear me over the air conditioner or under the air conditioner, beside the air conditioner. We got shrimps, frozen shrimps. Which cook up just fine. May need to break them up a little bit, if they will. Yeah, they're breaking up a little bit. Break it up, you guys, break it up. Don't want to break the shrimp in half. I just want to separate them if I can. If you're not careful, they try to break up. So, what are we going to use? Trader Joe's citrusy garlic, Cuban style. Just slide them together a little here. This is good stuff. I love it, love it, love it on seafood. And I'm like one notch above low, the lowest setting on the griddle. Oh, what's this, you ask? Orange peel, Valencia orange peel. Just add a little extra citrusy. Little extra. Shrimp loves citrus and garlic. So, keep trying to break these guys up. Maybe, just maybe, I can flip them over. It is hot up here. I don't know about where you are. Up here in the hills, it's hot. I know a lot of y'all are having heat waves and not having fun. Sorry, not sorry. And my lovely assistant just brought me some tomatoes that we're gonna throw on. Yeah, that can stay on that side for now. Where were we? Flipping our lids. Yeah, hot. Especially up here in the mountains. I went camping on the motorcycle earlier this week, and there and back it was 100 to 110 and through the desert and through the mountains. But boy, once I got there, it was 7,000 to 8,000 feet up on Mount Pinos. And and it was so wonderful. It was only like 70, 75 degrees. Got down to about 50 at night. It was wonderful. So we're throwing more seasonings on. Just a little bit more. And I'm gonna slide these guys over a little, because man cannot live on shrimp alone, no matter how much he tries. Maybe I should scrape this off a little. Just a little. There we go. Get some of the shrimpy yuckies, the seasoning out of the way. Add some Earl. Oh, look how hot. And that's on like almost low. It is hot. Oh, the air stopped. So look at these yummy veggies, huh? Is that yummy? That's yummy. In there. Okay. What's next? Spread it out a little, you say? Okay, let's spread it out a little. Sometimes I have to break up the broccoli I have big pieces. There's a huge chunk of carrot. Another big carrot. There's some good veggies in there. Maybe add a little bit more Earl. And, ooh, where's all my seasonings? I don't know. Oh, here's my salt, pepper, garlic, etc. Just throw some of that in there. I have to make up some more. I'm out now. Why didn't you guys tell me I was out? Watch the shrimp for me, will you? Oh, yeah. See, they're all curling up, and we'll scoot them over a little, except they're the ones that are at least cooked. Some of these aren't fully cooked yet. Some are. See, they curl up in a ball. Sometimes I curl up in a ball and just cry myself to sleep. Not really. I haven't done that in a long time. Not that there's anything wrong with that, if that's what you need to get through the night. Help me make it through the night. Dream weaver. I can't remember the rest of the song. Dream weaver. Something the dark side of the moon. Okay, they're coming along. I like the veggies. I try to get the veggies cooked, but not soggy. Still a little bit of crispness. Sometimes I accomplish it, sometimes I don't. I think we can go ahead and start blending everybody together here in a nice little party. And let's shoot a little water on here. Try to clean up our workspace a little. Nobody wants a yucky workspace. All that seasoning. And if you can see it, it's turned round and got down into my seasoning, and now I gotta do some seasoning on the griddle. Not the spicy seasoning, the griddle seasoning, which isn't, you know, that big of a deal. Okay. It's getting closer. What do you think? close-ish. I love the smell of onions and mushrooms and peppers on the griddle. It is the best. So, some more Earl. Some more spreading around. And what do you say we go ahead and toss our rice on? May need a little help here from the spatula. Maybe. See if I can reach over and get it. I could have gone around you, but I didn't want to. Oh, go away, bee. Bees are always trying to get all up in my business up here. Knock it off, bees. So, and we did taste test the rice, and it's delicious. Even without all this other stuff. Uh-oh, I lost a carrot. Man down. Yeah, veggies are coming along. Get the rice going here. Get that nice little crust from the griddle, which is what makes it so awesome. Man, this griddle's hot, even with it turned down so low. It's the dangest thing. What do you say we try it? Oh, a pea pod. A hot pea pod. Delicious, but not quite there yet. Not quite. Frozen veggies seem to cook quicker than these fresh ones. Weird, huh? Much about this channel is weird. I know that. That's why you keep coming back. That's why you love me. La 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 la. I think we can go ahead and start mixing a little. Huh? Huh? What do you say? Now I lost a pea pod. Carrot and a pea pod. La 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 la. Isn't that looking pretty already? Sure it is. Don't argue. Okay. Scrape a little maybe. It ain't easy because you're standing in the way. Now then, hoisin sauce. If you've watched before, I usually don't use soy sauce. I use it as a marinade sometimes. But hoisin, I have some fish sauce or oyster sauce in the house. It would be awesome, but it's in the house and I'm way out here. But I have teriyaki and no soy. I don't need no soy. We don't need no stinking soy. We're not done, but we're giving it a little bit of flavor here. Now, if I had my camera laid out better and I was standing like behind the griddle, I'd be using 2 spatulas and mixing better with both hands and all that. But then you couldn't see the beautiful glare off the sun. Rice is sticking to the griddle. I really do need to reseason. I didn't scrape up the spices good. Oh well. Yeah, it'll just give it more character. Right. Now, we've got Trader Joe's green and red hatch chili flakes. It's not as hot as red pepper flakes, but it does give it a nice little, actually gives a better flavor in my humble opinion. So we've got tons of that on there. Give it another stir. Oop, I want some rice. This is smelling good. It's looking good. Let's hope it tastes good. La, 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 la. I'm making a mess today. So let's add. Do not cook with your sesame oil. It's a finishing sauce. We're almost finished. So we're going to splash a little on just to give it a little bit of flavor. And my secret ingredient, which is not Asian, but it's really good. Some Saison. It gives you a really nice little depth of flavor. Try to sprinkle it around here. And then I'll stir it up real good. Let's see what's in here. It's in Spanish, I don't know. All kinds of good stuff. Oops, man, that rice just, everything's just trying to get away. Got to get away. Got to get away. Okay. It was nice getting away for a couple days. Love camping off the motorcycle. Got my Amok or more hammock, which is awesome. Look it up if you're interested in hammocks. And I'm going to give you a little peek here. Hold on. Hold on. Looky there, looky there. Doesn't that look good? No extreme close-up because the griddle's hot. And I don't want to burn up my phone or the microphone cord. But that's it. We're done. I'll stir it up some more. I'll take it inside and we're going to pig out. Oh, you know what I forgot though? Almost forgot. One extra ingredient. Maters. Fresh maters. Right at the very end because we still want them to taste like tomatoes. Okay, I'll stir that up. And y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing. Most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!